Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing your data. Make a copy of the tab or download a CSV so mistakes are reversible. Once done, click the column headers or drag to select the full range you want to deduplicate. Include all relevant adjacent columns to preserve row integrity. Make sure the header row is frozen and formats are consistent, dates as dates, numbers as numbers, because mismatched types can hide duplicates. This avoids partial matches and sets you up for reliable results. Next, identify duplicates visually and programmatically. For quick visual checks, apply conditional formatting with a custom formula like equals countif, A2 to highlight repeats. This shows you exact duplicates instantly. Once identified, use unique AA on a new sheet to preview what a cleaned list looks like, which helps verify you're keeping desired entries. For multi-column criteria, add a helper column combining values with concatenate, and then use countif on that column to flag to remove duplicates. Use data cleanup, remove duplicates, and select which columns determine uniqueness. Click Remove and review the report of removed rows. If you prefer control, filter by the helper column where countif1 and delete the unwanted rows manually, then clear the filter. After removal, rerun unique or countif to confirm 0 duplicates and sample several rows to ensure no needed data was lost. If something went wrong, restore the copied tab and repeat the steps with adjusted column.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.